Hello students, today we are going to solve important multiple choice questions of chapter 16, that is management of natural resources. So let's see our first question. Which river is known as National River of India? Option A Narmada, option B Brahmaputra, option C Kaveri, or option D none of these. So students, we know that our national river of India is Ganga, which is not mentioned in above options. So in these options, correct answer will be none of these. Option D. Next question. Teacher told the students that 17 developed trees are needed for making 1 ton of paper. What should we do to save trees? Option A, by reducing the use of paper. Option B, by making laws. Or option C, by recycling of papers. Or option D, all of these. So students, we know that by using above above three options, all these options are correct to save trees. So its correct option is all of these. Next question. Surinder thought that if trees are cut down, then what will happen? Option A, increase in amount of oxygen. Option B, decrease in temperature. Option C, increase in temperature, pollution, floods and drought. Or option D, increase in greenery. So students, we know that if trees are cut down, then what will happen? Then there will be increase in temperature, more pollution and floods and drought. So its correct option is option C. Next question. Today teacher told in class that we should follow 3R principle in our day-to-day lives in order to save our environment. What is 3R meant for? Option A, reduce, recycle, reuse. Option B, radial, reproduce, redraw. Option C, regeneration, recover, reshuffle. Or option D, none of these. So students, we know that 3R principle is option A, reduce, recycle and reuse. So correct option is option A. Next question. Which of the following gases is most responsible for greenhouse effect? Option A oxygen, option B nitrogen, option C hydrogen, or option D carbon dioxide. So students, we know that which gas is most responsible for greenhouse effect. So that gas is carbon dioxide. So correct option is option D. Next question. In which year Ganga Action Plan was started? Option A 1988, option B 1990, option C 1985, or option D 1975. So students, we know that Ganga Action Plan was started in 1985. So its correct option is option C. Next question. What do you mean by 3R principle? So students, as you see, this question is again repeated. So we know that 3R principle is reduce, recycle and reuse. So its correct option is option A. Next question. From which village in Garhwal of Himalayas Chipko Andolan was started? Option A Pakhar, option B Raini, option C Rajgarh, or option D Bhuna. So students, we know that Chipko Andolan was started in village Raini. Option B. Next question. How can you conserve fossil fuels? Option A, by walking or by cycling to cover nearby distance. Option B, by reducing the use of personal vehicles. Option C, by using fossil fuels for warming your body in winter, or option D, option A and B both. So students, we know that we can conserve fossil fuels by walking or by cycling to cover nearby distances, by reducing the use of personal vehicles. So A and B options are correct. So its correct option is option D, that option A and option B both are correct. Next question. In 1731, how many people from Khajeri village near Jodhpur in Rajasthan made sacrifices in order to save Khajrali trees? Option A 300, option B 363, option C 183, or option D 280. So students, its correct option is option B 363 people sacrifice their lives in order to save Khajrali trees. Next question. Which of the following will happen when amount of carbon dioxide in environment increases? Option A pollution, option B greenhouse effect, option C global warming, or option D biological magnification. So students, its correct option is option C global warming, that when amount of carbon dioxide in environment increases, it will lead to global warming. Next question. Which fuel is used in thermal power plant? Option A petrol, option B diesel, option C kerosene oil, or option D coal. So students, we know that in thermal power plant, which fuel is used? So its correct option is option D coal. Next question. Can be obtained again? Option A plastic, option B polythene, option C metals, or option D all of the above. Yes students, its correct option is all of the above, that plastic, polythene and metals, all these can be obtained again. So its correct option is all the above. Next question. Water storage scheme of Kulhards. Option A Rajasthan, option B Himachal Pradesh, option C Uttarakhand, or option D Madhya Pradesh. So water storage scheme of Kulhards is used in Himachal Pradesh. So its correct option is option B. Next question. When was Ganga Action Plan launched? So students, as you see, this question is again repeated. So we know that Ganga Action Plan was launched in the year 1985. So its correct option is option C. Yes students, our next question is, the pH of water can be detected with the help of option A pH scale, option B universal indicator, option C spectrometer, or option D none of these. So students, we know that we can detect the pH of water with the help of pH scale. So correct option is option A. Next question. Forests are option A hot places, option B cold places, option C both A and B, or option D none of these. So students, its correct option is option C both A and B. So students, today we have solved important multiple choice questions of chapter 16, that is management of natural resources. So with this we have completed all our chapters which will come in our term 1. So thanks for watching our video.